Hello everyone watching this video. Today we're going to be making my special recipe of scrambled eggs. Ingredients and equipment are 3 eggs for about 2 people, a whisk, and whatever size of jug you want. I'm going to use this one. You'll also need olive oil and pepper. And did I mention the whisk? And then a pan. Now, simply first crack the eggs. Make sure no shell goes in. Oh, come on.
It's alright.
It's alright, we can fix that. Get in as much as you can. One of the perils of cracking eggs, isn't it?
Haven't done it for quite some time.
Do another one. Good practice, makes perfect, doesn't it?
Now, if you want to use a tea towel to wipe your hands, then go ahead. Now, simply whisk the eggs, but I've got a special way to mix them. Exactly like this. Keep on doing this for about 2 minutes. And now, simply pour it in a pan. But first, before you do, make sure you put some olive oil in.
It's too much.
Now, put it in. Don't know how to use an oven.
So you get a grown-up to do the gas for you, don't you?
Yeah.
Do you want it high or low? Just low.
If there's a medium, I'll have
There
that.
is a medium. You've got medium.
Now, simply pour the eggs in. Now add pepper. And now, as the name of the food, it's scrambling. We'll be right back in 2 minutes when these are done. Hello everybody, we're back again. Now, looks like these are nice and sizzled. And now, if they're done, you'll see that the olive oil is starting to disappear, and that's how you know that my recipe of scrambled eggs is done. Now, get an adult to turn the gas off for you. Done. And now, get hold of the pan.
Bring it over.
Be careful because it's hot, haven't you?
Bring it over here.
Should bring the pan. You're supposed to put the pan.
It's hard with my left hand. And now get the scrambled eggs on a plate. Make sure, if you want extra taste, add soldiers with butter on. There's the cat. Cooking scrambled eggs.
She's focusing.
She's licking her lips.
Keep on scooping until you get all the egg off. Well, most of the egg off.
Are you finished? I'm going to taste it. Come on, you. To taste it too much.
Time for the great taste. It will be very hot. It's amazing. And now our scrambled eggs are done. Enjoy!